Hello, happy Sunday. If you're new, my name's Liz. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any time I upload new videos. I want to apologize for the hiccup because I did say, 2025, I'm going to be consistent. April was crazy. I chipped my damn tooth. I also fell, I bust my toe, so I was in agony. Just too much was going on in April. Anyways, we're back. But yeah, I hope you guys are good. Hope you guys are all doing very well as usual. Let's get into this video. So unless you've been living under a rock, I'm sure you guys would have seen this trending either on TikTok, Instagram, or on YouTube. Cred's current liquid gold, which is Cred's restoring hair edge drops. I'm sure you guys will see. I'm trying to hold on to this because I don't want to drop it and break it because this is actually glass. If you're new to my channel, you probably won't know the backstory, but I suffer from traction alopecia. I've had traction alopecia since I was 17, and throughout the years tried and tested every single thing under the sun to try and regrow my hairline / my edges. Now, I've obviously spoken about it before that I want to have a hair transplant. However, I am afraid of needles, really scared. I'm someone that's scared to even get blood tests. I scream that place down. And the older I've got, my fear for things that I'm scared of has grown. Until I get that random boost of confidence and energy just to go and get it done, I'm still going to try all the natural ways possible to avoid that process. So I feel I am the perfect candidate to actually test this out. This is currently what my hairline is looking like. As you can see, traction alopecia. I feel like it doesn't look as bad when it's in cornrows, but if I take my cornrows out, you're going to see this hairline starts quite back. I was actually sent this in October, or was it November? And at the time, I was actually in the process of testing out a product. So I wanted that product to finish before I switched to using this, because I don't like to alternate between two products, otherwise I'm not going to have an idea of what's working and what's not working. Now that product is finished means I can now finally put this to the test. I want to document this journey for you guys to see whether it works for someone like me. I want to show you guys literally front view and side views. I'm going to include videos and pictures of my progress. I'm not gonna lie, I've seen so many promising testimonials with this product, and even though I've seen those testimonials and it's worked for people, I'm still hesitant when it comes to me, only because of the fact I've tried so many things that have worked for other people, and for me, I'm just like, yeah, this hasn't worked for me. I don't know if I should show you guys weekly updates or every 2 weeks. Let me know what you think is best. Prior to this being sent to me, I actually did purchase some products from Cred with my friend. Obviously, if you're in the UK, you can order directly from the website. So me and my friend decided to order things together. We split the shipping cost. So yeah, if you want to order anything from Cred, you can do so. I'm someone that doesn't like to have my natural hair out when it's winter. I prefer to have it out when it's during the spring / summer season. So I waited for us to hit spring / summer when my hair is out for me to finally test out the product. So yeah, the products that I ordered with my own money is their Moisture Seal Lotion. I also ordered their Reconstruction Treatment Mask. Also ordered their Clarifying Shampoo. And another product which I ordered from Cred is their Rice and Rose Protein Ritual, which looks like this. By the way, for some people seem to think this is an oil. It's not oil, this is actually a serum. This retails for £52. Now that is quite steep, and especially in this economy. But if I compare this to a transplant or PRP injections, which is something that you have to upkeep, I would say that £52 is nothing, right? Anyways, so it says this is a powerful daily serum, is improved density up to 1.5 times, enhancing scalp health and follicle vitality, leaving hair looking fuller and healthier. I guess people are buying this out because on the website it says this is actually limited to 2 bottles per customer. I'm going to obviously include what it says on the website, but basically it's saying those that have thinner looking hair, this is going to help for it to appear thicker. Ingredients. People are very particular with ingredients. I feel as time goes by, the older people get. So again, I'm going to include the ingredients. How to use. So it says fill the dropper and apply directly to edges, hairline and scalp. Massage with fingertips. And it says basically repeat this process. Do not rinse off. Style hair as usual. Use daily for best results. Can be used on dry or damp hair. Okay? It says 84% agree they saw edges and hairline coming back. So what I like is it's not saying 100%, it says 84%. I hope I'm part of that 84%, okay? So 84% said it visibly improved their hair density. Again, I hope I'm part of this 84%. 84% also said it improved their scalp and hair health. Again, I hope I'm part of this 84%. It says it supports a healthy hair growth cycle and leaves hair, hairline and edges looking fuller and healthier. Visibly strengthens the hair from root to tip. I feel like there's a lot of like repetition here. Fast absorbing and non-greasy formula, and is dermatologist tested. And there's a third-party consumer study which was over this course of 16 weeks, and I guess they backed the claims of this. So there's a lot of promising things that Cred are saying about these restoring hair edge jobs. So yeah, Beyonce and Miss Tina Knowles, I really hope your magic works for me so I can finally rock my hair without having to fill it with hair fibers, which I've done for years. If you are wondering, this is what it looks like. The color of this is like a lilac-y kind of color. This consistency is very watery, so be very careful when you do apply it. So yeah, I feel like I'm going to use this every night before bed. I'm going to drop this on my hairline and I'm going to massage it with my fingertips. We're going to try and stimulate some kind of growth. I guess stay tuned to follow me on this journey to see if the Cred restoring hair drops works for someone that has traction alopecia. Make sure you like this video and make sure you leave a comment down below so that I stay in your algorithm and you can have updates anytime I have any feedback whilst I've been using this. So I'm going to make sure I finish the whole bottle. It'll be nice to test this out for a year, but it seems like one cannot even get this anymore, and I'm someone that likes to use a product 2 to 3 times before I have a final stay. Like I said, I'm going to be coming back to give you guys updates, so make sure if you're not subscribed, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I do come back with an update. Currently I have my hair in cornrows. I leave it in for 4 weeks and then I'll go and wash it off. When I take it out this time, I'm going to wash my hair myself and I'm going to use the Cred products instead of going to the salon, which I normally do, because now it's a bit warmer so I can have my hair out. And yeah, I'm going to give you guys an update as well how the other products work out from Cred. If you try anything from a Cred line, I would like to know what products you guys recommend, what products you liked, which products you didn't like, and of course let me know what your hair type is. If you're wondering, I'm 4C, so I have 4C kinky coil curls. Yeah, I think that's everything that I wanted to share. I would like to know if anyone's also starting this journey of trying this out to regrow their hairline / edges. But yeah, if anyone has been on the journey of growing or restoring their edges, please do share anything that has worked for you down below. I'm sure there's other people that are dealing with this and obviously would want some kind of feedback or tips on how to restore them or grow them. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I guess I'll see you next week with an update on how week 1 is looking using the Cred hair drops. But yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye.